Good morning, 9th and 10th graders. So I have posted your work for the week, and as requested, in the folder, it is broken up by day. So in today's box, you have, there's actually not a week 2 overview or instructions video, that's this, but I will post that in there. And then you have the reading guide for the week. That has directions. Make sure that you watch the video. I'm not going to duplicate them here. But make sure you watch the video that is not attached, that I am about to attach before you start working on your stuff. I wonder where that video went. It is somewhere. And here's the audio for today, and then there's a reading quiz to follow up. I will get that video attached. Just really quickly, the rest of our week. Tomorrow you have chapter 5, audio and the quiz, and vocabulary week 2. You can clearly start that today if you want to. I have to attach the instructions video, but that's about the first thing I'm going to do today. And then Wednesday we have audio for 6, quiz over 6, and then we'll have our WebEx. I'll talk about the topic for that WebEx a little bit later. And then on Thursday it's just turning everything in and taking the vocabulary quiz. Please note that that will cover the weeks 1 and 2. Okay. So that's it for today. Message me if you have questions. I'm going to be checking messages online, but I don't have anything scheduled live, okay? Oh, it's hat day, hence the hat. Also, I showered right before bed, so my hair's funky. All right, I miss you, and I will hopefully talk to all of you today.